How to turn on or turn off Get SMS delivery reports for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, in the messages list, tap on the profile icon. Then from the pop-up, tap on messages settings. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on advanced. Then go down and tap on Get SMS Delivery Reports. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is turned on, you can find out when an SMS message is delivered. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.